Hi everyone, I'm Shalma Parvin. Today I'll talk about leadership and change at Kaino Healthcare. My degree in business management and my experience as an HR assistant at Kaino Healthcare make me dedicated to creating an environment focused on innovation, development, and adaptability. We're moving from using manual machines to AI powered ones, and I am excited to share my understanding of leadership and change management with you. Together, we can successfully go through this transformation, this journey towards this great opportunity as one team. Let's move forward to a bright future for our business. When thinking about the best leadership for Kaino, move to automation, it is important to note that while democratic leadership is usually good, it might not the best for the situation. The best leadership style depends on the workplace, the type of change, and the traits of the employees. Transformational leadership seems to be a great fit for this scenario. Why transformational leadership works? Inspiring and setting goals. Transformational leaders are good at inspiring imagination and setting clear goals. They clearly explain the benefits and automation and the new opportunities it brings. This can motivate and inspire the teams during the change, encouraging adaptability and innovation. Transformational leaders create an environment that welcomes new ideas and experimentation. This is important when moving from manual to automated systems. Focus on long-term growth. Transformational leaders think about the overall development and progresses of both people and the company. They help employees see the move to automation as a positive step in the company's growth. Transformational leadership will guide Kaino move to automation well. It helps us adapt to changes, stay motivated, and support new ideas and growth. Together, we can reach our goals and make sure Kaino succeeds in the future. When I considered my ability to take leadership responsibilities at Kaino Healthcare, I find that I have the necessary experience and skill for the job. Since joining the company, I have focused on promoting transformational leadership within the human resource team, ensuring that my colleagues feel motivated and inspired. According to my recent leadership assessment, I have a moderate range of adaptability, meaning I can adjust my approach based on different situations. Effective leadership, in my view, involves not only making major decisions independently, but also empowering others within the team. I believe that my presence in this role will continue to motivate and inspire everyone at Kaino Healthcare to achieve our shared goals. As a human resource assistant, I make sure my colleagues' well-being is a top priority. I practice servant leadership by regularly asking for their feedback and supporting their growth. I'm adaptable and keep communicating open, open through face-to-face talks, one-to-one meetings, and anonymous surveys. This lets everyone share their thoughts freely. When I get feedback, I take action to solve problems and make sure work environment better. Our work environment. For example, When they wanted more learning opportunities, I worked with managers to set up new training programs and workshops. I also promote flexible schedules and wellness activities to help balance work and life. Looking ahead, I'm committed to fostering a servant leadership culture in our HR department and throughout the organization by always listening to and valuing team members' opinions, creating a culture that focuses on growth and support, offering mentorship and resources, leading with empathy, kindness, and understanding in every interaction, encouraging teamwork and appreciating each person's unique contributions, building an inclusive environment where everyone feels respected and valued. By empathizing servant leadership, we aim to create a workplace where trust, support, and high performance thrive, benefiting our team and community. I lead my team with care and focus on their well-being, whether it is helping them through tough times or asking for their ideas to make things better. I empathize serving others. In HR, I aim to create a culture where everyone values helping each other, which is why servant leadership is about. I believe in teamwork and democratic leadership. This means I involve team members in decision making and value their opinions. When we plan, I listen to their advice and advice to state then our strategies and help the team develop together. Being honest and genuine is very important to me. I believe in transparency in all my interactions, whether personal or professional. I make decisions based on honesty and clear intentions. At Kaino Healthcare, I'm prepared for a leadership role. I'll use my experiences, skill, and commitment to keep learning and growing. In this job, I'm guiding our organization through a big change. We are thinking about switching from machines we use by hand to ons powered by AI. This isn't just about upgrading technology, it's about changing how we work in today's digital world. Change is really important for our growth. As Peter Drucker said, the biggest danger in times of turbulence is not the turbulence itself, but to act with this logic. So we can need to welcome change to stay competitive and relevant. I'm proud to lead us through this transformation journey. In this presentation ahead, I'll explain our plan using simple leadership ideas and Lewis change model. Together, we'll figure out how to handle the challenges of change, involve our teams, and make sure the transition goes smoothly for our organization. Kurt Lewis, a social psychologist, created a change model to help understand and manage organizational change. The model has 3 stages: unfreezing, changing, and rephrasing. Unfreezing. This is the first stage. It involves making sure everyone in the organization knows that change is needed. It also means reducing any resistance to change. This can include questioning and changing old ways of thinking, norms, and practices to create a welcoming environment for change. Changing. In this stage, the actual change happens. This means adapting new process, systems, or behaviors. It also involves providing the necessary support and resources to help everyone adjust to the change. Rephrasing. This is the final stage. It focuses on making sure the change stick. This means integrating the new ways into the organization's culture and practices for long-term sustainability. It involves making the new ways the normal way of doing things, formalizing new processes, celebrating successes, and ensuring the changes remain relevant. Overall, Louis' change model is a useful tool for leaders to plan, implement, and sustain organizational change. Leading an organization through big changes involves several important steps to make sure everything goes well. Step 1, unfreeze. Under this unfreeze is communication. I'll explain why we need to move from manual to automated machines, highlighting the benefits and addressing workers' concern. Building a coalition. I'll form a team with managers, employees, and experts to support and change. Training and development. I'll invest in training to help employees transition and grow personally. Step 2, change implementation. Clear direction. I'll provide clear goals, deadlines, and expectations with regular updates on progress. Support and empowerment. I'll provide resources and encourage employees to take control of challenges in the new system. Feedback and adaptation. I'll seek input from employees and make changes to the plan as needed. Step 3, rephrasing. Celebrating success. I'll celebrate milestones and recognize the hard work of everyone involved. Continuous improvement. I will encourage ongoing improvement and innovation in using AI technology. Leading by example. I'll embrace change myself and demonstrate my ability to adapt to new technologies. Through my action, I'll inspire others to embrace change too. As a leader, my job is to guide our organization through this switch to automated machines. By creating a supportive and positive atmosphere, I'll make sure this change becomes a natural part of how we do things for the long-term plan. Reflecting on both assignments has been a journey of self-discovery for me. Task 4. This task helped me look at my leadership skill and how well I use different styles. The questionnaire showed my strengths and weaknesses. I learned that I can improve in areas like democratic leadership and being more genuine. It also showed that I'm good at motivating and inspiring others, and I use strategic thinking well. Task 5, I learned about managing change in an organization. I understood the importance of servant leadership and Louis' change model. Those focus on building trust, working together, and being adaptable during big changes. At last, those assignments gave me valuable insight into how to be a better leader. I'm excited to use those lessons to make better decisions and help my company succeed. Thank you for listening.